Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about Hollywood. From January to March, it's award season. What can you do to tie your business into all these amazing movies and actors and actresses and the awards programs themselves? Maybe you are a nutritionist. You can talk about the red carpet diet. Maybe you're an esthetician. You own a spa. What kind of treatments are they using, to look red carpet ready? Of course, the fashion is huge. Hairstyles are huge. Relationships. Maybe a divorced couple, it's the first time on the red carpet again together. What can you talk about that? So think about how you tie your business in to these awards. Chiropractors, talk about wearing those heels all night long. Sometimes you'll catch glimpses of camera, out panning the crowd and someone's got their shoes off or you can see them leaning on somebody because their feet hurt so bad. So there's lots of things that you can do. So the movie themes and topics, the actual actors and actresses, their relationships, their lives, and then all the peripheral stuff, the fitness, nutrition, fashion, makeup, skincare, everything that leads up to the award season. So that is this week's PR tip. If you like this and you'd like more ideas, you'd like to see your business in the media to get that massive visibility, please join our PR challenge. It's at yourprchallenge.com. It is completely free to join. It's simple. It's 10 days. That's all it is. 10 days, about 10 minutes a day, and you will learn all the steps you need to start getting media for your business. So I will see you in the challenge, and I'll see you in the media.